are some tips to increase the bioavailability of sulforaphane, an antioxidant. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Those of you who did not catch my last video on the anti-aging benefits of sulforaphane, here are some more benefits. It actually helps with liver detox, it slows down tumor growth, and it actually blocks DNA mutations that can lead to the overproduction of cells that can lead to cancer, as well as some studies have shown that it improves certain behaviors of people with autism. So here's tip number one. Tip number one obviously is to eat more foods that are higher in sulforaphane, such as bok choy, broccoli sprouts, cabbage, including napa, green cabbage, red cabbage, kale, and cauliflower. And this is in the ways of chewing, blending, or grinding these cruciferous vegetables. This releases the enzyme myrosinase, which basically converts the sulfur compounds glucosinolates into glutathione. Tip number two, don't heat the cruciferous vegetables, especially the studies have been shown in broccoli, any higher than 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. This will destroy the myrosinase, and so when you have no myrosinase, you have no sulforaphane. Now, the vegetable that is said to have the most amount of sulforaphane is broccoli sprouts. Then comes broccoli, and actually, depending on which study that you read, it's said that the broccoli sprouts can have anywhere from 10 to 100 times more sulforaphane than broccoli. And broccoli has the second is broccoli. So broccoli has the most sulforaphane compared to all the other cruciferous vegetables that I had named. Okay, tip number three is a study found that if you sprinkled powdered sugar over cooked broccoli, that it would actually quadruple the bioavailability of that versus plain cooked broccoli. Just kidding. Just wanted to see if you were listening. It's actually powdered brown mustard. So what if you combine different other sprouts along with broccoli sprouts? Will that increase the bioavailability of sulforaphane? Well, they actually did clinical studies where they actually combined with the broccoli sprouts, radish, rape, and rocket sprouts along with the broccoli sprouts, and it did not significantly increase the amount of sulforaphane. It did increase some other healthy compounds, but not sulforaphane. They found that if you just ate the broccoli sprouts on its own, that had the most amount of bioavailability of sulforaphane. And if you want to find out why sulforaphane is so beneficial for women, then make sure you hit subscribe, because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science. See you in the next video.